Hi guys, I'm Mark, M0IEX, and this video is part of an ongoing series about the modifications I'm making to my Raspberry Pi for portable amateur radio. And in this video I'm going to tell you about the screen I've put on, which is the Inky pHat from Pi. This is an eInk display, so it's not a real-time display as you can see from the film. It takes a little while to update. But what I'm going to do with it is use it to show some various status information for my Raspberry Pi and my radio station. So what you're seeing now is my default display. I've got this set to run every 5 minutes to update the screen in case the network changes. My Raspberry Pi can connect to a number of Wi-Fi networks, both at home and portable, and it can also create its own network, so it's important to know what IP address is in use and what the network name is. So the info I'm displaying is the name of the Raspberry Pi, its IP address, the Wi-Fi network it's connected to, my locator, and then the text on the screen is all configurable, but I'm showing here, as you can see, my call sign and a couple of messages, and then the fact that JSL call is running and what frequency it's on. The screen refresh for this screen takes around 30 seconds, so I've sped it up here. The code I've written for this display uses a configuration file to grab what text I want to display on the screen. Now I've changed it, you can see I've hidden the network details, and I'm showing some slightly different messages on the screen. The code can be run from the command line or called from other code, and in this screenshot you can see that I'm giving it a different configuration file name each time I'm running it, which is where it's picking up the information from. The code's written in Python and uses the Python library provided by Pi for the screen. Quite simple to do, anybody should have a go. Well, that's about all I've got to show you for this. I hope this has been useful and maybe given you some ideas for your own modifications for your Raspberry Pi. And just before we go, because this screen will carry on displaying whatever you put on it once it's shut down, I've added a script so that just before it shuts down it will run the update and display this on the screen. Thanks for watching. If you've got any questions or comments, leave them below, and I'll see you next time.